and welcome to video number 2. So if you watched my first video, backdrop was awful, so I did something with it and revamped it a little bit, so hopefully it's a little more attractive to look at than just a black sheet. So we're going to move on. Today we're going to talk about the Ellie subscription box. I'm not going to go into the actual subscription itself. I might list some details down below in the box. If you're interested in it, you can read down there, but we're going to go into what I got this month. So this is December. Literally filming this on the last day of December, but I got the Floral Bliss outfit. I receive 3 items in my box. And for the Floral Bliss, this is what it looks like. And it has these 3 strings on the back, which is a nice little detail. Not too extravagant, but it's still cute. I like it. I'll read a little bit more on it after I show you what all of it looks like. So these are the pants. Of course they match. And I think they're ultra high rise. I read that somewhere. But the bra and the yoga pants are both from a brand called Zoba. And oh my gosh, I got dust on this already. So there's also a jacket that comes with it, and the jacket is from the Balance collection. It's actually really nice. It does have pockets, which is awesome. You don't always get pockets with fitness apparel, so whenever you get it, it's like bonus. But it does have a higher neck, so if you're going for a walk or a jog in maybe cooler weather, it'll help keep you a little warmer. And it also has the little thumb holes in the sleeves, which is really nice if you don't like messing with your sleeves the whole time you're running. I know that could probably be annoying. I'm not a runner, so I don't know that problem, but I can only imagine. So I'll read a little bit about it. This floral arrangement is unlike any other, flattering ultra high-rise leggings, a medium impact sports bra, and a cozy jacket. You're well on your way to fitness bliss with this collection. Now I will note that it is, I think it's moisture wicking. It is. The outfit, the whole outfit is moisture wicking, which is awesome. It doesn't feel like that cheap workout material though. It feels really soft for a workout material. So I'm really happy about that. I'm going to be trying it on soon. Haven't tried any of this on yet. I did just open it from the box. And they always send you a packing slip. If you don't know the Ellie subscription box, they're all about that rose gold, which is a really pretty color. The bag is that color, and their packing slip, I don't know if you'd call this a folder. The packing slip holder is all that same color. Alright, so with all that said and done, I'm going to try it on, and we'll see how it fits. Okay, I'm back. I don't know. Cover up my double chin. Alright, so I'm back again, and I do really enjoy this collection. I feel that it is very toasty wearing the neck up like this and everything. Whew, it is warm in my house. But that's because it's like 5 degrees outside. So I really love this outfit. I don't have any complaints. I do want to note that the fabric that Zoba used for the yoga pants and the bra, if you do a squat in them, let's just say, it's going to look like you are wearing white underwear, even if you're not, because it has that white layering underneath. So it is squat proof for me, but it just looks funny. I don't know. I'm not totally sold on it, but I like that you're not seeing any outlines of any underwear or anything. That is very encouraging for me. I do also want to note that I am now about 6 months pregnant, so this is going to fit me different than someone that's not pregnant. They might have fat in different areas. Everyone's body's different, so this just happens to fit me really well. I'm not very comfortable leaving my measurements down below like other YouTubers might do to help guide you on what sizes to get, but I will note that I just wear a large and everything. I did gain a lot of weight in pregnancy, and that's one of the main reasons why I want to get more active. And one of my motivations to getting this box is because it encourages me to be more active, because I do always get cute new outfits that fit me well and make it easier for me to commit to something. So I guess I didn't really show you. Oh my gosh, my hair gets caught in everything. I should just wear it in a bun. But this is the bra. It is very supportive. I love the detailing. It does have removable cup pads. Some people don't like wearing those, but I feel more supported with them in, so I never touch them. I really wish I could just super glue them in there because I hate losing them in the wash. But yeah, that's a side story. And then the pants, they have the same pattern. They are ultra high rise, so they hit above my belly button, so it's like way up here, which is good for me because I like ultra high rise. That's kind of the style these days too, so these are really nice. They fit me well, and I'm excited to try them out with a workout. Thank you for stopping by today, and I'll see you next month. Bye!